This is the dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the dime.
What do you really need to carry with you every day? Is it all this? Here at Magpul, we think it's 3 to 4 ID or access cards, 3 to 4 credit cards, and 3 emergency bills. That's why we created the Magpul DAKA Essential Wallet. We set it up for ID and access cards on one side and your currency on the other, so you know what you need to pull at a glance. It's made from 4 layers of die-cut reinforced polymer fabric, which are RF welded together to create a super strong and impenetrable seal. It's only 3 millimeters thin when empty. That's less than 2 credit cards. It's extremely durable, non-slip, non-hygroscopic, and chemical resistant. We gave it rounded corners to ease entry and exit out of bags and pockets, and its shape minimizes printing while in your pocket. It's available in black, stealth gray, olive drab, and FDE, and it's made in the USA. Magpul DAKA. We built the toughest, thinnest wallets in the world because you're already carrying too much stuff.